Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Do you know what are quantifiers in English? A quantifier is a word or phrase which is used before a noun to indicate the amount or quantity of something. Some, many, a lot of, and a few are some examples of quantifiers. And in this lesson today, we're going to see a list of different quantifiers you can use when indicating the amount or quantity of something. Keep watching till the end of this lesson and don't forget to hit that like button below. When we want to know the quantity or amount of something in English, we ask questions starting with how much and how many. Let's start with how much. We use how much for questions with uncountable nouns like how much milk is in the fridge. We can also use how much when we want to know the price of something. In this case, how much can be used with countable nouns, both singular and plural nouns. Like, how much is that car? How much are those shoes? We use how many for questions with countable nouns, those things around us which are countable. It is only used with plural countable nouns, like how many cousins do you have? And how many days are there in January? And here comes few and a few. Let's take a few. A few is used with countable nouns. It represents a positive quantity. It means some or a small amount of something. As in, Linda has got a few strawberries. She can make some jam. Few is also used with countable nouns, but it represents a negative quantity or shortage of something. It means not many or not enough. As in, Tim has got few strawberries. He can't make any jam. Let's see some more examples. I have a few friends, but I'm happy. I have few minutes. I'm late. From these examples, a few friends represent a positive quantity, a small number of people. I'm happy. Few minutes represent a negative quantity, not many or not enough time. I'm late for school. Here comes little and a little. Let's take a little. A little is used with uncountable nouns. A little is used with a positive quantity. It means a small amount of something or some. As in, Linda has got a little flour. She can make a cake. Little is also used with uncountable nouns, but it expresses a negative quantity. It means almost nothing or not much. As in, Tim has got little flour. He can't make a cake. Let's see some more examples. I have a little money. I will buy a hot dog. I can't go to the cinema. I have little money. From these examples, a little money represents a positive amount. I can buy something with it. Little money expresses a negative amount, meaning it's not much or not enough to buy something with it. A lot of, and a lot. A lot of and lot of have the same meaning. They both mean a large amount or number of people or things. A lot of and lot of are both used before countables and uncountable nouns. With countable nouns, a lot of people went to the game. Lots of people went to the game. With uncountable nouns, a lot of snow falls in winter. Lots of snow falls in winter. A lot means very often or very much. It is used as an adverb. It often comes at the end of a sentence. Don't use a lot before a noun. I like basketball a lot. I don't go there a lot anymore. She's a lot happier now than she was. Hey guys, I hope you found some value and learned something. If you did, I'm happy. Please show me some love. Hit on that subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on my future upload as I bring to you weekly interactive English lessons to help boost your fluency and confidence. Again, thanks a lot for watching. I will see you around soon.